Alright then, so I've created course files for every single lesson with code in it from chapter 2 onwards in this course, and you can find all of those course files on this GitHub repo right here. The link is going to be attached to the lecture. Now, do not worry if you don't know how to use Git or GitHub. It's very simple to see or download the course files. The first thing you need to do is select the lesson you need from the branch drop down, which is right here. So for example, if you want to see lesson 13 or 14 code, you select that branch right here, okay? Then you can browse through the code like so and see the code. Now, if you want to download the code for this lesson instead, you can go to this button, clone or download. Now, if you're comfortable with GitHub, you could clone the repository, or you could download a zip file right here, and that's going to download a zip file of lesson 14. So if I do that right now, and then I open this up, we're going to see inside, if I extract that zip file, we're going to see these files. So chapter 2, and then the index and the sandbox. So you can download a zip file or use GitHub. It's entirely up to you. Now, this course is going to also contain several real-world projects, and in those chapters, what I'm going to do is also attach the end code for the project to the last lecture of those chapters, but it's also going to be here on GitHub as well if this is the way you prefer to do it, okay? So if you have any questions or need help accessing the files, please ask me a question on the Q&A, and I'll be more than happy to help you out.